think there's salt and vinegar.
I think she's gonna be like a kind. If you want, you can actually kind of hold it on your shoulder.
For a serial killer at large, who is wanted for killing at least 10 people in St. Louis.
What's your name?
I'm Edgar. I live here now with my grandparents.
Where's your mom and dad? Are they away? On vacation, perchance?
No, they passed away in an accident.
Oh, no. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
You must be pretty lonely out here, huh? All by yourself?
Yeah.
I do have one good friend. But she's away a lot.
Who is she?
The most beautiful angel in all the land. She can do all sorts of amazing things. Anything in the world. She's the Pink Lady. I think you'd like her. But alas...
Well, I do have one good friend. My best friend.
Gosh, I'd love to meet him.
Yeah, I just need to get him back. But I'll bring him, though, I promise.
Of course, but remember, if there's any sign of trouble, mum's the word, hmm?